Hello everyone. Hello everyone. This is Sanjay Ashwin from CSE department second year. Today we are going to see about stimulation of push button. About push button. Using push button, we are going to control LCD or LED in STM. Okay, just we are going to set up input and output pins, and we are going to write up code on STM software. After that, we are going to control it by just clicking using push button. We are going to control our LED. Okay, we'll see about this. First, for this basic needs are just first we want to install STM32. Okay, first that is the main important task to be done. After that, clicking on that, you can see here the file. New button will be displayed here. In this above file will be there. In that option new, click this. If you click new, you will get a generate a new file. Give your name as you want. After that we can see here source file. In the source file main.c, here you want to write your code. This is the main area. After that you can see here experiment in your name.ioc file will be there. Just what the thing you want to do is you want to set your input and output pin here. See, this was the just we are going to set out input and output pin. Just two pins, for one is for input, one is for output. Just two pins are enough for this experiment. First we are setting port C pin number 13 for input. You can see here clearly GPIO input is mentioned. If you click that, just like this, if you click this, you will get an input or output, whatever you want. If you select this input or output, it will be selected as that thing. Same thing, you can see here the pin number 5 and port A is set for output. That's all. If you click this and if you give enter, the IOC, the auto generated code will be generated in your main.c file. You can see here these the things are below things are auto generated code. Now we are going to write our code. First we are declaring header file for our main.dust. Then we are setting and importing an boolean library for our things. Then we are creating a function called push button, void push button, that we are declaring as a variable button status as boolean value. Then here these things void system clock and mx gpo are auto displayed. Inside this we are creating a function called void push button. Okay, in this we already declared that boolean button status. We are giving that, we are giving and getting input for that. Okay, we are setting HAL GPIO read pin. Read pin is an auto how command or inbuilt function for reading the pin. GPIOC, C is the nothing but the GPIO graphical process input output in port C. This is port C in that GPIO pin number 13. In port C, pin number 13 is for input read pin. If the button status, if we are writing this condition, if the getting input button status is 0, then write pin. The write pin is for output. Okay, write pin is for output. In that HAL GPU, same thing, write pin. Read pin is for input, write pin is for output. We are setting at in port A pin number 5 GPU pin set. If that condition satisfied and it comes into this, output pin is set so that LED will glow, or else write pin in same port A pin number 15 pin reset. The pin will be reset so that the light will not the LED will not glow. This is the condition. Then we are putting that push button function into the while loop for infinite looping. Whenever it's required, whenever it's running, it must be, whenever if you are clicking that button, it want to run multiple times. If multiple time, how much times if you are clicking also, that button should be, LED should be grown, so that we are giving into a while loop. Okay, after this, doing this programming and save this and keep it. After that, go for Proteus software. Okay, here you can see that option P. If you click this here, if you can type that STM board whatever you want. If I am giving STM32, F series 401 RB. So if display, if you double click this, the board will be added to your below your here. Then click and drag it here. Then type same like button and an LED, whatever is required, what color you want, you can decide and you can drag and drop here. After doing these things, okay. After doing these things, just click this and right click edit properties will be there. As I have already done this. Let me show once. Okay, right click this edit properties will be there. In that, click here, you want to uh, in that STM you want to generate an X file. By generating that X file, you want to paste that you want to select this folder path here. If you do that, the text file what your written code will be put it into this STM board. After this, just place that LED, connect. Now, as we said before, the port number 13 sorry, for pin number 13 in port C is for input. So see here, you can see here carefully that pin number, you can see here pin in port C, pin number 13 is for input. We are connecting it that with button, and another end of button is connected with ground for the connection for voltage. And as is in port A, pin number 5 is for input. We are connecting that with LED, and another end is connected with ground. Okay, this was the basic thing we have to done before. After you are doing this, just see you can see the run button here below. Just click that run button. Just click this run button. If you click this, it will be started automatically running. Then if you click this button, see, wait once again, we will do this. If we click this button, whatever simulation must be passed while measuring. Okay, something is wrong. It will do this. See, now you can see this. If we click this, the input is set as 0, and it will pass to the port number port C, pin 13. It will move on to the port output port A in pin number 5. The LED cell starts glowing. When we release that button, it will start laughing. When we click this, when we press this, it will be. This was a simple experiment. This was the command we have written here. See here. If we click that button set as 0, if 0 is which is we are clicking that, if we click the pin should be set that LED should be glow. If not, means LED will be in normal form. Let's see, in the same pin number 13 we are getting input, okay, for reading, and the same this is right pin for output for pin number 5 in port A. Same thing we have done here. Okay, this was the basic simple experiment we have done using STM board of using push button. Okay, thank you.